Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
So now children, we have learned enough about the shapes and patterns, and we have even revised many features relating to the shapes as well as the patterns. Fine. So keeping these tips in mind, we are going to solve our questions. So are you all ready? So here is your first question. Which of the following is an example of a cylinder? Okay. And your options are option A, okay, option B, option C, and option D. Okay. So can you tell me which is an example of a cylinder? Very good. It's a Coke diet, right? It's a very easy sum. Fine. So can we go to the next question? Here is your next one. The next question asks you, how many vertices does this figure have? Okay. And the options given are option A 12, option B 5, option C 6, and option D 4. So we know that vertices means the corners, right? So shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 vertices. I'll just name them A, B, C, D, and E. So it has got 5 vertices. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? The next question asks you, which of these has only 3 faces? Okay. And your options are A, option B, option C, and option D, okay. So which of these has got only 3 faces? So coming to the first one, how many faces it has? It has got only 2 faces, right? One is the flat face and one is the curved face. So cone is not the right option. Coming to the next one, how many faces this cuboid has got? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So cuboid has got 6 faces. So this is also not the right option. Coming to the next one, the cylinder. 1, 2 and 3. So it has got 2 flat faces and 1 curved face, right? So option C, cylinder, is the right one. Shall we count this one? It's 1, 2. It has got only 2 flat faces. So option 3, C, cylinder, is the right one. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Here is your next question. The next question asks, find the odd one out. And your options are option A, option B, option C, option D. So which do you think is the odd one out, children? See properly and tell me. And if you have to choose one option, you also have to tell me why is it odd one out. Did you say a triangle? Okay, why do you think triangle is an odd one out here? Oh, because all these have got 4 sides and this has got 3 sides? No, but this is not the right answer. Can you try again and tell me which is the odd one out? Did you say A cube? Okay. Why do you think cube is an odd one out here? Did I hear you saying 2D and 3D? Very good. You are right. Cube is the odd one out here. The reason is because it is a 3D shape, right? Whereas the remaining 3 is a 2D shape. Can you see any of them having a 3D figure here? No. All these are an example of a 2D shape. It's a square, a rectangle and a triangle. Whereas cube is an example of a 3D shape. So that's why A cube is the odd one out in the given lot. Clear? So shall we move to the next one? So these were the easy sums. Let's try something challenging. Okay?